Do you want to build an immersive projection room yourself? In this room, you can simulate realistic virtual scenarios that go beyond reality, such as tourist attractions around the world, deep-sea experiences, or simulations of various training scenarios. Just prepare the following equipment: multiple projectors, computers, projection mapping software. Have you never operated before and felt nervous and worried about this project? With the assistance of Kelly, these are all minor issues. We will not only provide detailed drawings based on your project and one-on-one shooting tutorials for the project, but also have professional technical engineers guide you to install online. We can complete the debugging remotely within 30 minutes. If you want to interact with elements in the scene, you can also add sensors to interact with virtual content. Whether it is scene simulation materials or interactive games, we not only have mature products, but also solutions for various venues and interactions. We can also provide you with a full range of customized services, materials, and games. So don't hesitate. Contact us to get your room plan now.